Alright, so here's how you fix a broken link. So as you can see, there's supposed to be a layer showing up in the map, but it's not because the link is broke. So basically the software doesn't really understand where the file is. ArcGIS documents or map documents are supposed to store what's called relative paths if you set that, and it should be able to find layers if they're not in the folder it thinks it's in. Here I intentionally broke that so that it's not finding the data layer. So if it's not finding the data layer, it's going to have a little red exclamation point next to the layer. So to set the actual file path, you basically have to click on that, and it will open up a set data source dialog box, which will allow you to navigate to that location in your folder directory. If you're not seeing your folders, it might be because you're not connected to the folder yet. That's something that ArcMap does that's kind of weird and different from how other software packages work. So for example, it doesn't see like every single folder that you have on your computer until you explicitly tell it to look there. So if you're not seeing a folder, if you just click on this little plus folder, then you can click on the folder you want to see, and then you should be able to see that from now on. So for example, if I click on I'll be able to see all the folders in my E drive. So I'm just going to do that, even though it's already connected. Okay, so now I'm going to navigate to the folder that actually has that data layer in it. So it's under E, and then Lab 2, and then there's the layer. So if we grab that and hit OK, that should fix the broken link. Okay, so now you can see that that layer now drew. One thing nice about this process is if you have a bunch of different layers that are all in the same folder, then you can actually just fix one, and it should automatically just see all of the layers. Here, there's just one layer, so there's obviously nothing. There's only the one that was updated.